Hello everybody, hola and welcome to another kasiloose video. And today we have the highlights from Hot Wheels Mainline 2021 Case Q. Yes it is, there you go in front of you. So we're going to start with this guy here, a custom 70 Honda N600, a new color. Look at that, in a green, a very green Honda N600 kasiloose. There you go, look at that, headlights, tail lights, nice, beautiful. Let's give it a spin. Very cute with the blackout wheels and everything. Black interior. Let's compare it with the first color, the cream one. I like the cream better because it does convey the classicness of the car itself, but both look good. The cream sort of conveys a family oriented car, and the green, the meanness of the car. Maybe. Yes it is. So that's the first one, the Honda N600. Moving on, we're going for the gold Pagani Huayra. So I believe for the Q case you may find this version, the ID version, which is the chase for the case Q. Look at that, beautiful kasiloose. Look at that, the Pagani Huayra, everything gold and black, gold rims, black stripes or trims, the headlights, nothing at the back there obviously. Got the Huayra Hot Wheels, nice addition. That is cool. A gold Pagani Huayra. Look at that, so very classy look, classic color. Yep. So for the ID version, going to have the Spectra Flame color there, which is awesome. Nice. Obviously not nice for me because I didn't get the ID. Got only the regular version. That's the Pagani Huayra. Next, we're going for the Hotbird. Look at that. This is based on the, what's it called, Countach Firebird. Look at that, the Hotbird. Nice kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. If I cut off a little bit, cut off on the top there, you can see the interior. I believe this is a old casting, right? Quite an old casting. Look at that. So the headlights is part of the interior. So you can see the brake there. So if this is an old casting, yeah, I think this is a retooled of the old casting. As you can see, that's 2021. So what you guys think? What's the change for the Hotbird? The usual suspect is going to be the, previously the base is metal, now obviously it's plastic. Anything else? For you Hot Wheels aficionados, you can comment down below. What are the changes between the old cast of the Hotbird and this new one, 2021 Hotbird? Cool, classic looking car. Yes, it is. Any idea why it's called a Hotbird, not a license name? You guys can comment down below. Love how they do the tail lights as a brake part of the interior. Nice, and also nice blue. Yep. Moving on, we are looking for this guy here from the latest Batman movie, Batmobile. Just a quick glance, this is a secondary color. At first you didn't realize this is a secondary color actually. Yep, you just say, oh no, another Batmobile, oh no, why, oh why, but this is a secondary color. Yep, kasiloose. There you go. Beautiful. At first glance you may say, if this is a secondary color, the black is glossy. Look at that. Compared with, on the top there is the first color, matte black, glossy. See that? Other than that, still spotting the sort of like the metal gun gray chrome for the engine and the interior. The wheels are also slightly different. See that? The first color has a gray wheels, this one is a blackout wheels. Other than that, it's more or less the same. Yep, same color of chrome and everything. Yeah, looks cool together. Yes, it is. Look at that, glossy black. Let's put it together, both versions. Matte black, glossy black, gray rims, black rims, sort of a black chrome rims, maybe. That is cool. Yes, it is. So that's the Batmobile. I'm going to see in 2022 also Batmobile. Next one, the regular treasure hunt Lamborghini Countach police car. Previously it's named pace car, now it's called a police car. Look at the light bar at the back there. Now that is interesting, a rename. Yup. Kasiloose. There you go. There's the circle flame logo at the side there. White car with orange trims. Emergency. There's a light bar at the top there, part of the window piece. Emergency. Also the both sides circle flame logo. That is nice. Nothing on the tail lights. Yup. So you see the police car, but actually you see the base there, Lamborghini Countach pace car. Yup. Maybe the difference on this, the light bar, maybe becomes a police car. Nice, with Lamborghini logo at the front there. That is awesome. Cool Countach. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Definitely. Nice. So we come to the last three. With two of them a new casting. Maybe we're going for this guy here, the recolor of the Let me take a breath. LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. Yes, it is. Previously in blue, now in red. Kasiloose. There you go. Just a color change only from blue to red. Everything else looks like the same. Look at that beautiful GTR in the front there. Nice. LB work, Liberty Walk, Hot Wheels number 12. Have a small Liberty Walk at the side, at the wings there. Oopsie. Let's focus a bit. Come on. Yeah, there you go. With tail lights. This definitely looks awesome. Awesome. Can't wait if you have a premium version of this car. Yes, it is. The dark interior, black interior. Nice. And we're going for a new casting, the Aston Martin. Focus up a bit. V12 Speedster in grey or silver. Look at that. Yes, it is. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. No windscreen, no windows or everything, but I think the part of the clear plastic is at the back there. This part is clear plastic, I'll bet a smoky clear plastic, and nothing else, which is interesting. Only the small part here. Got to see the headlights. Yes. Now check out the tail lights, but they put a interesting. There's still a decal there. V12. Why they didn't put any tail lights? I have no idea why. Because there's definitely a decal there. V12 there. Interesting. Very simple. Speedster, roadster. Yup. Not really my cup of tea, this car is. Yeah. That looks cool. Definitely looks cool. Yes, it is. And the last one. Let's push it a bit back. Oopsie. Focus it a bit. The Range Rover Classic. Look at that. Is it a new casting or from an old casting? I think that's one Range Rover that's been, the cast has been produced and retired, right? Not sure is it the same, but Range Rover Classic. Look at that. Wow. Kasiloose. There you go with all the sponsors on the side there. You can see Michelin, Terrain, what is it? Terrain Challenge, Land Rover, Castrol, Hella, Ibach. Wow. Got the tail lights, RR Classic, Range Rover. No tail light, but there's enough brake that you can see the difference there. Look at that. The tail light is either part of the interior or part of the base. I'm not so sure about that. Got a sunroof. Very, maybe quite dark, smoky. Is it smoky? Doesn't look like a smoky windows there. But look at that. So let's see at the base there. Range Rover Classic. It says 2021. So either it's definitely a new casting or a retool of the old one. Obviously, if a retool of the old one, the base previously metal, now made in plastic. So So you guys can comment down below. I think that's one that was in the old man line said the last time it will come out and retired. No more after that. But I'm not so sure now which of the Range Rover is it. But there you go. Look at that. That is beautiful. Yes, it is. Nice. Nice. So, what do you guys think? Highlights from the Q case. Gorgeous. Love the Range Rover Classic there. Yup. So, drop down a comment down below what you guys think. Come subscribe, notification bell button, share if you want. Definitely give a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Yep. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.